For centuries, humans and elephants have lived side by side, but today this coexistence is under threat. The rise of the human-elephant conflict is not just a story of survival, it's a story of clashing worlds. From Africa to Asia, these magnificent creatures, icons of nature, face challenges that could decide their fate. This is their story and ours. What was once peaceful coexistence is now a daily struggle. The human-elephant conflict stems from habitat loss. As forests are cleared for agriculture and development, elephants lose the space they need to thrive. Elephants are migratory by nature. Their ancient paths often cross modern farmlands and settlements, leading to inevitable encounters. For people living at the edge of wilderness, the conflict is personal. Beyond conflict, poaching continues to threaten these gentle giants. Every year, thousands are killed for their tusks. The human-elephant conflict is a reminder of the fragile balance between man and nature. It challenges us to think beyond our immediate needs and to act for a future where humans and elephants can thrive together. The choice is ours. Will we rise to the challenge? Subscribe to our channel for more stories of wildlife and conservation. Share this video to raise awareness.